Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can flip and rotate element in Canva mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my design in my Canva mobile application. And for example, I'm going to flip and rotate this element. First thing first, we need to click on the element we want to flip and rotate. And if you want to rotate, you can simply click on this icon, this rotate icon, and you just need to rotate it as you like this. And that if you want to flip the element, you can go to the options right here on the bottom, and you're going to go to find the flip option. Just tap on the flip to flip your element, and you can choose either you want to flip horizontal or flip vertical. And I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and as you can see guys, that now my element has been flipped and rotated. Alright guys, and that's all the way to flip and rotate element in Canva mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.